Good morning, everyone. I am Rosala Emanuel, and this is my Mini Militia 4, Mini Militia game menu, which is our laboratory 4, and mode of game using Unity. And we have here the different scene, which is in the first one, you must see the game menu, which it contains the play, customize, the settings, about, and lastly, the quit. And in the same two, we do have I do have the mode of games which are the training and survival.